Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fully restart your iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you want to fully restart your iPhone, so let's see how can you do that. You have to open settings in your iPhone. In settings, just scroll down and look for general option. Simply tap on it, and here just scroll down and you will get the transfer or reset iPhone option. You have to tap on this option, and from here select erase all content and settings. Tap on it, and here you have to make sure that you have backup of your data because it will remove everything from your phone. It might be your apps, videos, photos, your accounts, and much more. So you must have to create a backup of your data, and once you have created, you have to simply tap on this continue option and then select erase iPhone. Or here, if you have logged in any Apple account, so you must have to enter the password of your Apple account here, and once you have that, simply enter your passcode here and your phone will be restart, and in this way your phone will be fully restarted. So that's how you can easily fully restart your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.